Lights, camera, action. This is what we're tackling in today's video. I don't know how long it took me to get to this point, but it took me a good little while to get to this point. I wasn't paying much mind. I did this back in June, so it's a good 3 months before I actually posted this, and it was building up until June. So we kind of need to clear the place. Everything, all sorts of things in the room. Hair, baking, nail stuff, glass, everything that you can think of is right in this room. And today is a perfect day to clean with me. So I post clips here and there of me just cleaning up the space. I started this project around 10 a.m. in the morning, and I was through about 2 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon, which isn't bad, seeing that this space was messy and there was a whole lot of garbage in this. So let us just get rid of this. I'm going to start at random. I'm packing up my K-pop machine. I did a whole party thing for myself, especially for myself, and then there's some other accumulated stuff from another previous birthday party. So yeah, so there's no way in how I'm going to do this video. It's just going to be all over the place. I try to deal with it in order, but it's just all over the place. So I'm tidying up the space where I have all my hair stuff, my nail stuff, other what you call it, miscellaneous stuff. Yeah, I don't know how certain stuff reach into this area, but it did reach into the area. This is where I put all of my coloring stuff in. I mean, I'm a jack of all trades. I like to mingle in stuff. I'm very hands-on type of person. I just found out that this year, to be honest, like I just recently learned how to braid him. So you saw the braiding here, and you see the dustable glue. I tried doing a wig, not this year, like a couple years and probably a year ago more, or so a couple of 2 years. I can't 2 years. Just my hard boy. So I'm cleaning out the petty station, or no, I'm cleaning up this where I have all the disinfectants and the sprays, Lysol sprays and stuff like that. Cleaning it up because I don't think I ever did I clean out necessarily since I've got this. No, so this was like almost like an in-depth type of cleaning for me in this video. This was my petty area where I put all my pedicure stuff in it. I'm showing you that I have all sorts of things in there, like all sorts of things. I don't know what my hours I did, but all sorts of things end up in there, including a moth. I'm gonna show you right now where the moth is, and it died. There we go. So I knocked it out, and then I proceeded to clean the entire thing. That was just some buildup of, lotion being on it. I don't think it's lotion. I think it was like not shampoo, like soap. Yeah, it was soap. So I put back the petty stuff in their respective areas, and then we're just going to clean out the other stuff. I have beer. I have a whole heap of things. And then I decided to clean up the floor because the floor was getting messy. There's a lot of garbage. There's more garbage than anything. Yeah, I mean the stuff that I was organizing was in their respective zones, but everything else was literally that garbage being on the floor that I was between two minds whether or not if I wanted to keep them or if I wanted to throw them. So finally decided, what's the point of me keeping them? They're going to be here, and the place is going to get to a certain point again, and I have to do it over and over. So I decided to get rid of them. So I wasn't even halfway through my cleaning, and I was already to two garbage bags. So you already know the whole pack of garbage that was in my room. Anyway, so this is my party box. This was like a couple of years ago, probably like 2 years ago, on my 25th birthday, when I did a whole shebang and I had a whole lot of stuff, and we can reuse them. So that's the box, and I was applying some more to it. So now I move on to my table, just clearing this table can go from a 0 to 100 real quick. I don't know how it happened, but it usually happens. Like after 1 day of recording one video, or not even 1 day, I'm pushing it, like a couple hours of doing one video for my channel, it turns into mayhem. I don't know how that happens. No matter how much organizing stuff I get, the table always look like this. I don't know. I honestly don't know what to do with myself. So I'll go ahead and just remove all the stuff off the table, because I'm going to remove this cloth. If you didn't know, this is a desk, not a regular mannequin table. I had to use what was there, and then again the space was small, so removing this, I don't know where this table would have gone in the house. So I'm comfortable until my clients are comfortable. There's no quarreling at that. We set ourselves accordingly and work. But until I get my space, you know, I will just work with this. So then I go ahead and apply everything back to the table after I change the cloth on the table. I have to put a clear lining on top of the surface because the table is damaged, a bad word. This is years of learning that acetone destroy things. I never know until I lift it up one day, couple years back, and the table is damaged. So I have to put that clear sheet over and then put my the cloth over it to create some aesthetics, because it never look good to me. So you already know. So I go ahead and just put back my stuff on the table. You see how organized the table is. Wait till 3 weeks later and the table is back in the state that it was currently in. So now I'm going to tackle the bigger stuff. Man, I didn't really know what to do. At this point I was kind of stuck deciding whether or not what to do, how to remove this stuff from out of the space. And I realized I have a balcony that I can open the door, put the stuff in, clean out the room properly, and reapply the stuff to how I want them. It was very compact and tight, not gonna lie. It was uncomfortable. Sitting there thinking whether or not what am I do, because I don't know what to do. So I decided just to take the stuff out on the balcony. Who wants to see? Who wants it inside? See, all right. I'm cleaning it. I'm a clean girl. What's wrong with you? So I go ahead and just remove the stuff off out of the room, and then I will just go ahead and do a big sweep out on the balcony, and then I'll go in and clean the floor with some Ajax and water, because the floor they dirty bad. I mean, this is slight in-depth cleaning. I need to go in like and just completely take the stuff out of the room and just completely clean the floor from wall to wall, from corner to corner, and then reapply the stuff in a very organized way. Not saying the stuff in the room are not organized correctly, but I want to clean it. I want to clean it to the T, all right? I want to clean it to the floor. That's what I want to do. I was thinking about changing the color in the room and seeing that it's not really my space to that I really can up and change stuff. So once I get my space, once I get my space, it's going to be me. All right, so I go ahead and do the Ajax, scrub the floor very good, and then I go in with the mop with some Fabuloso and some bleach and clean. I literally mopped this twice to remove the Ajax off the floor. I was pretty clean after like 3 wipes. I like that. So I go ahead and just putting back the stuff in the room, finalizing everything now, clean off the fan, sweep off the balcony. The room did nice. I did have to take a water break at that. Yeah, thirsty. Then I go with my Febreze and Febreze out the place. Smell good, you see. Yeah, I was very proud of me at the end of this. So this is the room space. This is what I'm talking about. Very clean, very welcoming. It's not to my tea, but it's clean. I can walk through very easily. I can invite a guest in. The air was so clean. The space was just clean. So, we're gradually going to get rid of some of these stuff that is not aesthetically to the eye or even pleasing at that. So, don't watch that. Just know the fact that the place is very organized and very, very clean. I did enjoy myself. I did proud of myself. I did this in one day. Happy. Room nice and clean. If you guys enjoy this type of content, let me know down below, or even like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.